How to unread a message on Instagram. Now let's say we go to our messages and then this message. Now I have read this message and I go back, but I want to unread it. All I have to do is to go to my profile icon, click on these three lines on the upper corner. Now I just have to scroll down and click on account type and tools. Now all I have to do is to switch to professional account. It has many privileges, and when we go through this process, we don't really need to fill this up seriously because we just need the feature that it gives us. So we just hit continue and then go back. Now that we're on professional account, you just have to go back to your messages right here. And then as you can see, I have read this message, right? If I long press it, I can see this feature that says mark as unread. So I can just mark as unread that. And now I have unread a message on Instagram. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.